Good morning, Jack.
Good morning, Amma. How are you today?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am doing well. Amma, today I want to talk about something very important.
Oh, really? What is it, Jack?
Today, we will talk about how people can practice English every day. Many people want to speak English, but they feel confused. They don't know where to start.
Yes, Jack. I hear this every day. Many students say, Alma, I want to speak English, but I don't have time. I feel shy. I feel scared.
That is very true, Amma. Many people think English is very difficult.
But English is not difficult, Jack. It only looks difficult.
Exactly. English becomes easy when we practice it slowly, step by step.
Yes, and today we will help our listeners. This is daily English speaking practice, and we are here to practice together.
Right, Amma. No pressure, no fear, just simple English.
Jack, let me ask you a question.
Sure, Amma.
Why do people fail to speak English even after studying for many years?
That is a very good question. I think it is because they study English, but they do not use English.
Yes, they read grammar books, they memorize words, but they don't speak.
And speaking is very important.
Absolutely. Language is not only for exams, language is for life.
Very true. If you want to speak English, you must practice it every day.
Even a little practice is good.
Yes, 5 minutes is better than 0 minutes.
Many people say, Amma, I will start when I have more time.
But that time never comes.
Exactly. That is why daily practice is the key.
Amma, many learners are afraid of making mistakes.
Yes, Jack. They think, what if I speak wrong English?
But Amma, mistakes are normal.
Mistakes are good. Mistakes mean you are learning.
When a baby learns to walk, does the baby fall?
Yes, many times.
But the baby does not stop.
Exactly. The baby keeps trying.
English learning is the same.
You don't need perfect grammar, you need practice.
You don't need big words.
Simple words are enough.
For example, instead of saying, I am extremely exhausted, you can say, I am very tired.
Yes, simple English is powerful.
Amma, what is the first step to practice English daily?
The first step is listening.
Listening comes before speaking.
When we were children, we listened first, then we spoke.
That is correct.
If you listen more, your English improves naturally.
You learn pronunciation.
You learn sentence structure,
And you learn real English.
not book English.
Exactly.
Jack, many people say, I don't know what to listen to.
That is easy, Alma.
Yes, there are many options.
You can listen to simple English podcasts.
You can listen to slow English videos
You can listen to English stories.
or English conversations like daily English speaking practice.
Yes, Alma.
You don't need to understand everything. Even 40% understanding is okay. Your brain is learning in the background.
You can listen while walking,
While cooking,
while cleaning.
while resting.
English can be your daily partner.
Jack, have you heard about shadowing?
Yes, Alma. Shadowing is very powerful.
Many learners don't know this method.
Shadowing means repeating what you hear.
At the same time,
You listen and you speak together.
like an echo.
Yes.
For example, if I say, I want to speak English confidently,
You repeat, I want to speak English confidently.
you don't stop the audio.
You don't translate.
You just copy the sound.
This helps your mouth and brain work together.
In the beginning, it feels strange, but slowly it feels natural. Jack, fear is the biggest problem.
Yes, Alma. Fear stops people.
They fear people will laugh.
They fear making mistakes.
But practice alone is okay.
You can practice in your room.
You can practice in front of a mirror.
You can practice while walking.
No one is watching you.
And even if someone listens, it's okay.
Learning is not something to be ashamed of.
Amma, another powerful habit is thinking in English.
Yes, Jack, this habit changes everything.
Most learners think in their native language.
Then they translate into English,
This takes time.
and it breaks fluency.
So what should they do?
Start with very small thoughts.
For example,
I am hungry. I am tired. It is hot today.
very simple.
When you wake up, think, it is morning.
When you drink tea, think, I like tea.
These small thoughts build confidence.
These small thoughts build confidence.
Jack, English is not magic.
Yes, Amma, it is a habit.
Just like brushing teeth.
Or drinking water.
If you do it daily, it becomes easy.
If you stop, it becomes hard.
That is why we say daily English practice.
Exactly. That is the heart of daily English speaking practice. Amma, many learners read English silently.
Yes, Jack, silent reading is good.
But reading aloud is better.
Very true.
When you read aloud, your mouth works.
Your tongue works.
Your brain works.
All together.
This helps pronunciation.
It also helps confidence.
Many learners feel shy to speak.
Reading aloud is a safe way to start.
No pressure.
No fear.
Amma, how should beginners read aloud?
They should start with very easy text,
Like short stories.
like simple dialogues.
Like children's books.
Yes,
They should read slowly.
clear voice.
Not fast.
Speed is not important at first.
Clarity is important.
For example, read one paragraph
Then read it again.
and again.
Every time you feel more comfortable.
This is how fluency grows.
Amma, one big mistake learners make is this.
What mistake, Jack?
They keep English inside books.
Yes, English stays on the table,
But real English is outside,
in daily life.
in small actions.
English should live with you.
Not only in your notebook.
Jack, this is one of my favorite tips.
Mine too, Amma.
Change your phone language to English,
You use your phone many times a day.
so you see English many times.
Words like settings,
Download,
delete.
update.
You learn without studying.
This is passive learning.
Very powerful.
Jack, writing is also important.
Yes, Amma, writing helps thinking.
But many learners think writing is hard.
They think they must write long essays.
No, that is not true.
They only need 3 sentences.
Every day.
For example, today I went to work. I was tired. I watched an English video.
Very simple.
No pressure.
No perfect grammar needed.
Just right.
Writing daily builds confidence.
Amma, many learners say, I have no one to speak with.
Yes, Jack, I hear this often.
But they forget one thing.
What is that?
They can speak to themselves.
Exactly.
Self-talk is very powerful.
You are always with yourself.
So use that time.
Talk about your day.
Talk about your plans.
Talk about your feelings.
For example, today is busy. I need to work. I will rest later.
This builds fluency slowly.
Amma, do you know a secret tip?
Tell me, Jack.
You record your voice.
Ah, yes, very helpful.
Just 1 minute.
Every day.
Speak about anything.
Your day.
Your work.
Your family.
No one will judge you.
You can listen later.
You hear your mistakes.
And you improve.
This builds confidence very fast.
Jack, learners don't need a classroom now.
Yes, Amma, internet is everywhere.
They can join English groups,
WhatsApp groups,
Telegram groups,
Facebook groups.
Even listening is useful.
Reading messages helps too.
And slowly they can write.
Small messages.
Like, good morning.
How are you?
This makes English real.
Emma, short videos are very popular now.
Yes, Jack. People love short videos.
YouTube shorts.
Instagram reels.
TikTok videos.
They are short and simple.
Watch one video many times.
Repeat the sentences.
Copy the accent.
Copy the rhythm.
This is fun learning.
Jack, perfection stops progress.
Yes, Emma.
Many learners wait,
They say, I will speak when I am perfect.
but perfection never comes.
Practice makes perfection.
Not the other way around.
Speak first.
Improve later.
Emma, English is not a subject.
It is a lifestyle.
Live with English.
Wake up with English.
Think in English.
Speak in English.
Sleep with English thoughts.
Slowly, English becomes natural.
This is the goal of daily English speaking practice.
Jack, many learners ask me one question.
What question, Emma?
They ask, Emma, how can I feel confident in English?
That is a very common question.
And my answer is always simple.
What do you say?
Confidence comes from practice,
Not from grammar books.
not from perfect vocabulary.
Only from daily use.
When you use English every day, fear becomes smaller.
And confidence becomes bigger. Amma, comparison is dangerous.
Yes, Jack, very dangerous.
Many learners compare themselves with others.
They say, he speaks better than me.
She is more fluent.
This thinking stops progress.
Everyone learns at a different speed.
Everyone has a different journey.
You should only compare yourself with yesterday.
Ask yourself, am I better than before?
If the answer is yes, you are winning.
Jack, some learners think English is magic,
Yes, Amma, they want fast results.
but English is a skill,
Like cooking,
like driving.
like swimming.
You don't learn these in one day.
You practice again and again.
Slowly, you improve.
English is the same.
Jack, mistakes are part of learning,
Yes, Amma.
but learners feel embarrassed.
They feel shy.
They feel scared.
But mistakes are teachers.
Every mistake teaches something new.
So make mistakes
And smile.
because you are learning.
Jack, learners often say, I am not ready.
Yes, Amma.
But no one is ever fully ready.
Readiness comes after action.
Not before.
Speak simple English.
Even broken English.
It is okay.
Broken English today?
Better English tomorrow.
Jack, real life is the best classroom.
Yes, Amma.
Order food in English.
Ask simple questions.
Say thank you.
Say excuse me.
These small sentences build confidence.
And confidence builds fluency. Amma, routines make life easy.
Yes, Jack.
Let's share a simple routine.
Good idea.
Morning, listen to English for 5 minutes.
Afternoon, think in English.
Evening, read aloud for 5 minutes.
Night, speak or write 3 sentences.
That's it.
Simple.
Easy. Powerful.
Jack, patience is very important.
Yes, Amma.
Learning takes time.
Some days feel good.
Some days feel slow.
That is normal.
Don't quit on slow days.
Slow days still count.
Jack, English should not feel scary.
Yes, Amma.
English should feel friendly.
Like a friend you meet every day.
Talk to it.
Listen to it.
Use it.
And slowly it becomes part of you.
Dear learners, remember one thing. You can speak English.
Not tomorrow,
Not next year.
but step by step, starting today.
You don't need perfection.
You need practice. Daily practice.
That is why we are here.
This is daily English speaking practice.
Jack, I feel proud of our learners.
Me too, Amma.
They are trying,
They are learning.
and they are improving.
Dear friends, keep practicing.
Don't stop.
Don't be afraid.
English is possible.
English is for you.
Thank you for learning with us.
See you again in daily English speaking practice.
Keep practicing English every day.